This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the Department of Homeland Security and the Department of Energy, to bring you the following message. There is a nuclear weapon in your butt. You heard correctly. Terrorists snuck into your house and assembled a physics package in your behind while you were asleep. The government is very concerned about your health and the safety of those around you. I'm more concerned by how soundly you have to sleep for this to have happened. It is not like that would be easily missed, but you managed to do it anyway. If I had to guess, you are going to have Homeland Security and Nest crawling around inside your butt literally. If you are needing a colonoscopy, that will be taken care of, and you will only get a little bit of a bill. Really, how do you miss someone opening up your butt and inserting a nuclear weapon? I guess it does give a new meaning to explosive diarrhea. This is the emergency alert system, suggesting that nuclear butt plugs are not a thing you want to get started on.